Okay. I have lots of these, so if whoever ever wants one. I think she is making a movie.
Yeah, we got a documentary. I don't have any money though. I'm not that lady that says,
Who
I have
knows?
millions.
Who knows?
You gotta be nice. You never know.
Maybe.
It's like, surprise.
Oh, somebody came here from Ann
Are you
Arbor.
with them as well?
Yes.
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
come on up. Okay, y'all have entered a 10-story building on the 3rd floor. We have 3 floors of exhibits, 3, 4, and 10. It's self-guided, so you go to any of these 3 floors that you want to. But since we're on the 3rd floor, this is what we call our history floor.
Okay.
It's over here in the year 1908. Makes a horseshoe around. When you're coming out through the museum, it's 1973, the lifespan of LBJ's life. And it goes in chronological order, so you're going to see a lot of things that will strike a memory. Okay, when you get to the grand staircase, you can't miss it. I want you to look up, because you're going to see 4 floors of these red binders with gold presidential seals. And those enclosed inside are over 45 million pieces of archival material. And that makes up our library. A lot of material. There's one thing on the 4th floor I don't want you to miss. And you can take that grand staircase or the elevators right through there. And that's Mr. Humer. It's a life-size, moving, talking replica of President Johnson.
Wow.
Oh, that's new, isn't it?
Huh?
Is it new?
No.
Oh, I missed it.
He's been here. Well, I don't want you to miss it.
I don't want to miss
He's
it.
over there on the side where the presidential portraits are, and if he's just leaning on the fence and not doing anything, wave his hand in front of his face,
Get
and
here.
he'll start talking.
How cool.
To get to the 10th floor, you have to take the elevator.
Yeah.
You can access it on 4 again right through here, and that's where you're going to see the replica of the Oval Office, as it was during his time. Now, when you go through the door frame, there's a button on the right, so push it, and he's going to come on and tell you what you're looking, and some of the furniture that was his, and so on. Out and around the corner is Lady Bird's office, just like she left it. And then there's a gallery honoring her memory. And then over here, there's another bunch of pictures on the wall, but down at the end is another button. So go down there and push it, Lady Bird's going to come on and talk to you. Now, restrooms, very important.
You're right.
10 and 2. Okay. And at 3:45, we have the last showing of the 22-minute film on LBJ's life. And it's this floor and this auditorium, which is just right around the corner. Okay. Please enjoy your visit.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
And any questions come back, we'll try to answer them.
Okay.
Everybody sign in.
I do. Judy, look, there's a Wolverine signed in.
Oh, no.